Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's going to be a home bargains haul. I know you guys really like these, and I will show you a big haul, a small haul, whatever I've got, I will show you in one of these videos. But before we get into the video, I just want to say the nitty-gritty stuff first, which is, if you like the video, all the products, all the advice I give you, anything in the video, then definitely give it a thumbs up. It can tell me that you like the video, and other people will see it and it will go around, so definitely give that thumbs up. If you can come and subscribe to tazwells12, that'd be absolutely great. You can do that by hitting the subscribe button on my main page and the bell notification too, because that will tell you when a new video has been uploaded. Please comment down below if you like anything in the video, that'd be absolutely great. Your feedback and your ideas are more than welcome, so definitely do that, and I will 100% comment back to you and like your comment every single time. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I do mention. It's all out of my own money and an advice video for you guys, so not sponsored at all. Last thing is, please check out my other social medias, which is 2 on Instagram, which have tazwells12, which is my main normal account, and then you have tazwells12, which is my home account. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Now we will get into the home bargains haul. I have got my receipt here with me, so I should be able to tell you the exact price for everything I've got in this bag. The first item is one of these hair dyes. You've probably seen these in a Poundland haul. Well, unfortunately, Poundland don't do these anymore. Don't know what's happened to them. I can't find my colour. I don't know what's happened. I got a different colour. I don't think I showed that in a haul anywhere, to do my hair like the last time I coloured it. It was a bit more expensive. Literally, I think I paid about £8 for 2 boxes. I think it was out of Asda, and to be fair, I don't really need that, to be honest. I don't really need to pay that much. These are £1.99 in Home Bargains, so I grabbed them because they did have the colour. So these are the Swaffcloth Polycolour Permanent Cream Colour Tint. These are in 41 medium brown. I used to go for a dark brown, but I seem to... A medium brown will start really dark off on my hair, and then basically will fade down a bit. You can't really see it because I've just washed my hair a little bit, but this seems the better one for me, because otherwise if I go dark brown, it goes like black on my hair. So yeah, I have to be really careful. I don't really want that blackness. I want that chocolatey. Like I said, they were £1.99, so it's £4 literally for 2 boxes, because I have to have 2 boxes because my hair is grown super long, and 2 boxes literally just cover it. So if my hair gets any longer, I probably will need 3 boxes, but 2 will be fine at the moment. All this stuff, by the way, from Home Bargains came from the Amesbury store in Hampshire. The next one I'm going to say about is this Fabulosa. So I normally get some bottles and then refills. I've got one bottle that I've literally got about 1/4 to go on it, and I do use this a lot. We use this for like clean in the kitchen really quick, stains that get put on like our hard floors, when I clean out like gizmos, our cat, like litter box, literally anywhere, I would just sprout this on and then maybe use a wipe, and it really does work. I thought I'll get the bigger bottle this time, because the smaller bottles, they are £1, but the bigger bottles are £1.79, which I thought, you know what, just buy 79p's worth. And they had a really nice, this was the last one, but they had a really nice scent. So if I bring it closer, you probably can see it. So this is the bigger Fab. Kills 99.9% bacteria and viruses, and ready to use disinfectant, cleans and shines, eliminates odours, long lasting freshness, and this is in 1 litre, and it's also in pink lemonade. This smells so good. This is good summer scent, but I generally do like it. So there was the last one there for £1.79. I thought that was a really good little bargain. This is the next one. This is the Whiz Delicate Clothing Wash, suitable for machine and hand washing. It says care for silk and fine fabrics, 750 ml, which is like 18 washes. Basically, this we use quite a lot. Anything like Nils super dry hoodies, anything that's like got wool in it and very like a fabric that might shrink in the washing machine, I will do a hand wash on. So I'll also do it on any clothes that I do buy from like car boot sales or like charity shops. I will do a delicate wash on it first. So I will put it in our bath, put some of this in, put a bit of conditioner in and let it soak in there for a good long time. Then spin it in our washing machine, because all you're doing with a spin is taking the water out. And it seems to be really good. We were using the fairy one of this, but Home Bargains don't seem to have that, or they do and it's a bit more expensive. But this was $1.29, which I thought is quite good, and it's quite a big bottle. We've got some of the others left, but I thought I'd just grab one because now I'm going to more car boot sales. I'll be buying some more clothes. Just buy this, just do a quick hand wash, and then next time they gotta get washed if they can, or sometimes they will just be hand washed, it can go in the washing machine. This item, I thought, and my mum thought, that they were on an offer. We thought they were like 3 for £1. I don't know if we read it wrong or the offer didn't come out on the till, but it didn't, and it was for these. They have come up on our receipt as 49p each, so literally we've paid £1.50 for free, which is only 50p, but we can't just go down the road and be like, oh, you overcharged us, because the Home Bargains is like probably about 15-20 minutes away, so it's cost petrol, more petrol than to go back and get 50p and then do what I mean. It's not worth it. So we grabbed these, and you can only get them in individuals, that's why we grabbed them. So these are the Fanta lemon, made with fruit juice, and there's 330 ml in here, so it's a can version. If you have not tried a Fanta lemon, you so need to, because one, they're nice on their own. Two, I found out if you have like a nice fruity cider, put a little bit of this with it, that's nice as well. That's why I got 3 of them, maybe to use for summer more. Put them in my little alcohol cupboard, and then if I want a drink but it gets a bit warmer, put a bit of ice in there, put lemon, and yeah, it's going to be lovely. So they were 49p, but we thought they were 3 for £1. You've probably seen these loads on my Home Bargains haul, but I always have to show you, and it's these. I will try to go through super quick, but if you haven't seen them, they are the homepride slow cooker beef and ale concentrated sauce. So these we use when we make stew and dumplings. We used to make our own gravy, which is nice on the odd occasion. It's not hard to do, but we go for mainly these, and these are like chef's kiss. These are really nice. So they're easy in 3 steps, serves for, always perfect, and it's just a little liquidy sauce like that. No artificial colours, flavours or preservatives, and these are at the price of 99p. So 99p, it's really good sauce, really tasty, really nice, literally tells you the instructions on the back. Great. We pick up these a load, so I picked up 2 more because we were running out. This was the most expensive item on my Home Bargains haul, and it is Bonjela. Bonjela is so damn expensive for what it is, but it does really work. Bonjela is, I use it for if I have a bit of like toothache or a bit discomfort in my gums and my teeth. Yes, I do clean them every day, I do brush them, I do floss them, but sometimes there is that time where you do get a bit of achy pain and you just need to put a little bit of this on. And it's always good if you got like a cut in your mouth, so if you cut your gum or you get like a little ulcer or something in your mouth that's a little bit sore, always get this and put it in your mouth. So Bonjela is a gel. It's effective relief from mouth ulcers, relieves pain, targets swelling and infection, adult 16+ years, double action. So it just comes, if no one's seen this before, just in like a little tube. I normally just put that in my like little medical bag that I have from my handbag with some paracetamol and other things in there, and just take it about with me in case I need to use it anywhere. This was at the price of $3.99. That is a little bit more cheaper than anywhere else. I think as the charge you about a £5 or a little bit more depending which one you've picked up, But yeah, it's really good stuff. It just gives you like a numb sensation and a burning, but then it goes off and then the pain goes. So it's really good, really worth the money, but a little bit expensive. Last item I have got is this. This one that I've been using before, and I think it's called, I'll go and get it. Used before is a clearasil one, like this. I got this out of Asda. You can see that I've nearly used pretty much the whole bottle. Don't use this all the time. When I'm feeling like a really like sweaty, greasy mess that I have quite a few spots, it seems to kick them out a little bit more as well. So I use this just to dry up my skin. But then I got this one out of Home Bargains. It's pretty much the same, because that one out of Asda, I can't get any more. I've looked a couple of times. I didn't think Asda done it, and that was the last one I got, and that was obviously months ago. And then literally since then I've looked, and because I knew I was like getting to the end of it, I couldn't find it. So I bought this one. I think that was like £3 or £4, that Clearasil one. This is only £1.99. So this is the Clean and Clear Deep Cleansing Lotion. It's for sensitive skin, oil fighting formula, cleanses effectively to help prevent spots. It's from Johnson, so there's 200 ml in here, and it's the UK's #1 clear skin brand. So all I do with this, if I'm feeling like I said, a bit sweaty, a bit greasy on my face, I just get a cotton wool pad, fold it in half, normally the oval ones, fold it in half, put a little bit of this on, and then just go all over my face, and it just takes a load of dirt out of your face. It's unbelievable. This is why I have this, but it's so easy to use, but it's a really potent toner. Well, that one is anyway. But if you're feeling like that, a little bit groggy, just put some of that on your face, and it'll just make you feel a little bit more drier, smoother, very nice. If you feel like it's took every bit of moisture out your face, what I normally do is then go over with another toner which has got a bit more of a moisture in it, which is a rose toner from and that's what I normally do. Or I'll go over with a bit of moisturizer just to put the life back into my skin. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of the Home Bargains haul. I really hope that you liked any of the items I did show you, or any of the advice I did give you. I had a bit of skincare, a bit of home, bit of prepping on your hair care, washing, a bit of everything there. If you did like it, then give it a massive thumbs up. Like I said at the beginning of the video, it tells me that you like it, and it will go around and I can do more. Like, if you're not subscribed to me, then please come and subscribe by the button on my main page and the bell notification. That'd be great. Comment down below if you liked any of the products and what you thought was best, or any feedback, then definitely let me know, and I will comment back to you and comment every single time. Check out my other social medias on Instagram, the two I mentioned at the beginning. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you'd like to do, please. That'd be great. The video is not sponsored. I just want to say again, it's all out of my own money and what I thought I wanted in Home Bargains. Just like this, unfortunately come to the end. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting. Have a lovely day or a lovely evening, and I'll see you soon, guys.